Looking for a watch built to handle the toughest missions? Want tactical features like stealth mode, night vision support, and dual-format GPS all right on your wrist? Let's talk about the Garmin MARQ Commander Gen 2, a luxury modern tool watch crafted for those who demand precision and reliability in the most extreme conditions. With rugged durability, lightweight design, and mission-ready tools, it's more than just a watch. It's your ultimate tactical companion. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the MARQ Commander Gen 2 with black jacquard weave nylon watch strap, black silicone rubber watch strap and charging cable, documentation pamphlets. Want to grab the MARQ Commander Gen 2 from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Key features: made with fused carbon fiber and a grade 5 titanium bezel, this watch is both rugged and lightweight. The 1.2-inch always-on AMOLED display with sapphire crystal ensures clarity and durability in any environment. Includes stealth mode to stop GPS tracking, a kill switch to wipe data, jump master mode for airborne ops, and an applied ballistics ultralight solver for precision targeting, designed for tactical professionals. Preloaded with Topo Active Maps, Climb Pro, Sky View, and Course View golf maps, plus ABC sensors, altimeter, barometer, compass, perfect for mission planning, outdoor sports, and navigation in the field. Uses multi-band GNSS combined with Sat-IQ technology to ensure pinpoint accuracy in challenging environments. Automatically optimizes GPS performance while saving battery life. Runs up to 16 days in smartwatch mode, 6 days always on, and 42 hours in GPS mode. Special endurance modes like Max GPS, 75 hours, and Expedition GPS, 14 days, make it reliable for long missions. Monitors heart rate, pulse ox, sleep, stress, and body battery, with a jet lag advisor for travelers. Smart features include notifications, Garmin Pay, music storage, Wi-Fi, and Connect IQ apps. Specifications: charge your watch. To charge your Garmin MARQ Commander Gen 2, connect the included USB charging cable to the port on the back of the watch. Plug the other end into a USB power source like a wall adapter or computer. It takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge from 0% to 100%. How to connect? Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Garmin MARQ Commander Gen 2 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Open the Garmin Connect app and create or sign in to your account. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to complete setup and enter your information. Tap More, then select Garmin Devices, followed by Add Device. The app will start searching for your device. When it recognizes your watch, tap Connect It, enter the code shown on your watch, and tap Pair to connect with your watch successfully. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Garmin MARQ Commander Gen 2 has 5 physical buttons. Button operations. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Garmin MARQ Commander Generation 2. See you in the next one.